object-oriented programming language used to build mobile apps, web apps, and back-end software for companies like Amazon and Netflix. In the next 5 minutes, we are going to configure your computer so you can write and run your own Java applications. To get started, you only need a computer with internet access and the permissions to install basic software. Java is platform independent, meaning once you have this environment configured, the code you write can run on any device that supports a Java virtual machine. Step 1 is downloading the Java Development Kit, or JDK. You need this specific package to write and compile new code. The JDK is the outer shell, containing the tools to build Java software. Inside is the JRE, the Java Runtime Environment, providing the libraries to run your apps. At the center is the JVM, the Java Virtual Machine, executing code on your hardware. Go to the official download page and select the version of the JDK installer that matches your operating system. Without this nested engine installed, your computer cannot translate your code into instructions it can execute. Now that the engine is ready, we need an interface to work in. We'll be using an editor called IntelliJ IDEA. This is an integrated development environment, or IDE. It acts as an assistant that organizes your files and flags errors as you type them. Run the installation wizard and stick with the default settings. You can simply click Next through the prompts to complete the setup. Using a professional IDE like this helps you catch formatting mistakes immediately so you can focus on the logic of your program. Open IntelliJ and start a new project. We'll call this one First Java App. You must check the JDK menu to ensure the IDE has detected the engine you installed earlier. If the menu says No SDK, click it and select the Java version you just downloaded to link the two together. This link is what allows the IDE to actually communicate with the Java compiler and turn your text into a working application. Now we can write our first lines. Create a new Java class file named Geeks. Inside that file, type the public static void main method. This serves as the starting point where your program begins execution. Between the brackets, type system.out.println, followed by hello world, inside parentheses and quotes. Note that Java is case sensitive. You must capitalize the S in system and string for the code to be recognized. You also need to end the line with a semicolon. This tells the compiler that the specific command is complete. These syntax rules allow the compiler to accurately translate your text into bytecode. Once compiled, that bytecode can be executed by the JVM on any supported device. To run your program, click the green play button in the margin next to your code. Look at the bottom of the screen. A terminal window opens up to display the results. If you see the words Hello World printed in the console, your environment is correctly configured and your code is running. You've successfully moved from a blank computer to a fully functional development workspace, completely ready for any Java project. Now that your tools are ready, you can start building more complex logic. Join us next time, where we'll use this setup to create a number guessing